Madam. I am Harisma Nakipurmasurum. Today I will be presenting about the topic bricks and blocks. What are bricks? Bricks are a small rectangular block typically made of fired or sun-dried clay used in building. There are three types of clays used to make bricks. The first one is surface clay, the second one is shawl, and the third one is fire clay. There are three methods of manufacturing bricks. The first is stiff mud process, the second is dry press process, and the third is soft mud process. There are two types of bricks. The first one is clay brick and the second one is calcium silicate brick. Okay, the clay bricks properties are clay bricks are small solid block usually rectangular. Their raw materials are clay and shawl, and the clay brick continue to be the most important building units. Other than that, clay bricks are strong and durable. Clay bricks are made by shaping suitable clays and shells to units of standard size, and the fire temperature in the range of 900 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Other than that, sand facing and face textures may be applied before firing and key slots formed for plaster finishes. Many bricks are perforated and pressed bricks commonly have rocks, both feature and reduce brick weight. Normal size of building bricks is 250 mm by 102.5 mm by 65 mm. Application of clay bricks: external and internal load-bearing walls, load-bearing piers and columns, partition walls, party walls, cladding and facings, foundations, perimeter and garden walls, paving and floorings. Next up, we move to calcium silicate brick properties. Calcium silicate brick consists of 90 to 95% sand. Standard brick dimension are 215 by 102.5 by 65 mm. Absorption of water varies between 6% to 16% by weight. Density varies between about 1,700 kg per meter cube to 2,100 kg meter cube, depending on the composition of the brick and manufacturer. There are few characteristics of good bricks. The first characteristic is size. The brick should have uniform size and plain, rectangular in shape with smooth surface. Second characteristic is color. The brick should have a uniform deep red and cherry color as an indicative of uniformity in chemical composition and trueness in the burning of the brick. The third is strength, adequate strength for sustaining loads. Fourth is hardness, not easily stretched and break. And the fifth is fire resistance. Ordinary bricks can resist high temperature up to 1500 degree Fahrenheit. The sixth is water absorption. A good brick should not absorb more than 20% of water by weight when placed in water for 24 hours. And the last is durability, be able to resist weathering action. Next, we move on to tests on bricks. Okay, the first test we do is water absorption test to measure the absorption rate of water by the brick. The second test is Alforens test to test the alkalinity of the brick, and the third test is compressive strength test to test the compressive strength of the brick. There are few ingredients that we can use to manufacture bricks. The most important ingredient is silica. If silica is added to clay in suitable proportion, makes a clay brick hard and prevents it from wrapping and shrinking on drying. If present in greater proportions, make a brick brittle, so the proportion of the silica should be controlled. There are also harmful ingredients that can cause damage in the bricks. The first one is alkali. The alkali is lower the fuse on temperature and melts the bricks and changes its shape or get twisted. Iron pyrites during burning. Iron pyrites due to high temperature oxidize, decompose and disintegrate brick into pieces. And the third is organic matter. Although the presence of organic matter in a brick has burning, this causes porosity in the bricks. That's all for my slide. Next, I'll show my journal. This is the journal I found. This journal is used to show the effect of the bricks used in masonry walls on characteristics and properties. Yes, that's all from me, madam. Thank you.